Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, which is Mrs. Tuai. Uh, I won't be telling you about my motherhood journey today. I am here to cover up a more important topic. Um, it is about depression. So, if you must have known till now, we have lost one of our actors from the Bollywood industry, which is Sushant Singh Rajput, and the report that has come that is I mean, it. He committed suicide because he was going through depression. Uh, Frankly speaking, we have a myth in our society that depression is something that only happens to rich people. That is very, very wrong. I have seen many uh, people, middle class people, people like us going through depression, and it's our family who can help us. This is what I feel and I believe. Uh, the only thing is, we live in a society where, from the starting you are taught not to speak or to think before you speak. I very much agree with this term that you have to think before you speak, because maybe you will hurt a person, but what you feel, what has hurted you, I think that is to be spoken to people, or that is to be spoken to your family, or else that turns into depression. I There are many different causes that can lead to depression, but I think some of them that I have known are, a person tells you something that can lead you to depression. A person's act can lead you to depression. Your feeling about a person, or you feeling left out of something, can lead you to depression. There are many different things. I don't want to list it down. I can just tell you, we are going to be, or we are the parents of a generation who is very different than us. uh, this generation cannot handle their emotions that strongly or that properly. They need a lot of encouragement, they need a lot of motivation, and I don't know, whatever I have seen in this generation, these children are very active, and they feel bad very quickly. They understand you are angry in a very small age. Like my daughter, uh, when I get angry on her, or when I don't want, you know, uh, when I feel a bit, what you can say, not angry really, but when I don't pick her up for a long time, or when I don't give her something that she wants for 5-10 minutes, even if I pick her up, she doesn't look at my face. This is the level of understanding that today's children have. She's just 6 months old. So, and I think you have to teach your children from a very small age that not getting things is okay, not achieving things is okay, not getting, uh, you know, not being successful sometimes in a task is okay, because today's world is just running after things. They want to grab opportunities, they want to hit targets, they want to achieve goals. But life is not just that. Life is much bigger than all these things. I am not saying that these things are bad, or you don't have to do this. These are important, but then, uh, just telling your children to do that, that is, I think, is wrong. And the most important thing that I feel today's parents should do is telling their children it's okay sometimes to fail in life, because failure is a part of life. As I mean, as parents, even we fail as parents. We are not perfect. But then our society has always taught us that you can't be anything less than perfect. You have to be perfect in all the things. That cannot happen. We are human beings. And uh, the other thing is, because we have started living in nuclear families, that is one more thing, that we don't speak to each other. Uh, Parents, both the parents are working, both the parents work normally. The child has to stay either in a daycare, where the child cannot express what he or she feels, and then when the child comes home, the parents are already so tired that they don't have time. But then I think this is the most important thing, spending time with your children, because today's children, uh, ninth and 10th children, like I have seen, they are committing suicide because they have not got a mobile phone. I just heard a case some days back, that a father, I mean, because the son was playing PUBG for a long time, the father took the mobile from him, and the boy started acting weirdly. He started trying to climb on the walls, and he did not eat food and all those things. So he had to get admitted. The doctor said that the boy was doing it because he wanted to get the mobile back. But then imagine the level of understanding today's children have. Like, they can do anything to get a thing that they want, and then forcing them to behave the way you want them to do is not going to work. You have to make them understand every small thing. So my only request to you today is, you are the one who is going to, you have a very big responsibility. Every parent has a very big responsibility, because you are raising a child which is going to shape the next, you are shaping the next generation, who is going to, who are the citizen of our country tomorrow, and they are going to take our country forward. So that is why, you have to take a lot of care in what you are teaching them today. And there are many people, who have a million followers. Even your kids, or even, if, for that matter us, we have so many friends. We have so many friends on social media who maybe we've not met for a long time. Maybe we don't even know them. We have some mutual friends, so the friend request comes, we accept it. We don't know, and then when we have to tell something to somebody, we don't have anybody. So I think, uh, the most important thing is, please speak what you feel with your family. I think family is the most closest unit of your life who will be with you. As I always emphasize on this part, that God is the first person you can tell everything to, because from there things won't get leaked to anybody else. But the second thing, or the second part of your life that comes, is your family, with whom I think you have to share everything. Your family won't judge you for what you say. Maybe they can correct you, and I think you have to be that acceptable that you can take their corrections. But then at the same time, they will always be behind your back. Also, I think that, as as parents, we have to take care of understanding what our kids want to tell us today. And just one thing for you and for your kids as well, that please don't put a fake smile on your face. Please don't try and behave as if you're very brave. If really there is something that is hurting you, please open up about it. And because a fake smile, a brave face can help you for some time to hide your feelings, but that will suffocate the emotions that you have inside you, and that will keep on killing your emotion, and that will hurt you the most. And that would just take you to a place where the only thing that will remain with you is hard feelings, negative thoughts, which leads to such things like, thought of committing suicide, thought of that you are nothing, thought of that you're not valued. And that creates, I don't know. When I heard that news, I felt very bad. The first thought that came to my mind was about his family, about Sushant Singh's family. That what his family must be going through. First of all, because of Corona, they are far from each other, and I am really not sure what took him to depression, why he couldn't tell it to anybody, because that day his friends were there with him. But let's be there for each other, yeah. In this time where there are many crises, pandemics are going on, let's be there for each other. Let's be there for our children. Because of this lockdown, let's take some time and understand each other. Let's understand if there is any difference in any of our close by people's nature or the way they behave. Let us understand what each and everyone is going through, because I know money is very important, but then at the same time, a person's life, I think, is more important than all the other things. So take care. I will be sharing with you my story as well. The only message I wanted to give through this video is, please share your feeling. Please come forward to your family, to your friends, whomever you feel you are comfortable with, and please share what you feel. Please share if something is hurting you. Please share if something is going wrong in your life. And please don't feel that you are left over from all the world, because the world doesn't matter. Yeah, your family is there with you, they will support you. Be with your family, take care of your family. They will always be they will always be supporting you in all the situations. This is what I have understood. So for now, bye bye, take care. Please like, share, subscribe. And in case if you feel that this video does not have to do anything with the journey of motherhood or with motherhood, I'll just clarify. As I said earlier as well, as a mother, you are the first teacher of your child. So that is why I wanted to make this video, that you are going to teach your child today that it's okay. And if things don't go as you have planned them to be, it's okay if you have got a failure, because you have to rise up and then go ahead. And in all this process, you are going to back your child. This is what you have to teach your child. And promise me that you are going to spend a lot of time with your child and make him and her understand that you are always there with them in all the situation. Till then, as again, bye bye, take care. Please like, share, subscribe, and I will soon come up with my remaining journey of motherhood. Bye bye.